morning students. In previous class we were discussed about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So I remind you what you have studied in previous classes one by one. First one, sine of 90 degree minus theta can be written as cos theta. Second one, cos 90 degree minus theta can be written as sine theta. Next, tan 90 degree minus theta can be written as cot theta. Next, cot 90 degree minus theta can be written as tan theta. Then cosecant 90 degree minus theta can be written as secant theta. Then finally secant 90 degree minus theta can be written as cosecant theta. So these are all very important. Before going to start next exercise, that is 18.2. Now we discuss about 18.2 exercise one by one. So first question. First question. So questions are very simple, complete depend upon trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So the first question is cos 18 degree divided by cos 18 degree divided by sine. As cos changes to sine, cos changes to sine, sine changes to cos. Sum of these two 90 degree, that is 72 degrees. So very simple, cos 18 can be written as cos 90 degree minus 18 can be written as 90 minus 72. So here is the answer. Subtract 72 from 90 divided by 1, you make it change, sine as it is, sine 72. So this is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. Theta value here 72 degrees. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So sine theta value 72 degrees divided by denominator also sine 72 degrees gets cancels. The answer is 1. Yes, this is very simple. Next, question number 2. Tan 41 degrees divided by tan changes to cot and sum of these two, that is 90 degree. So this will become, that is 49. So this is equal to tan 41 as it is. Anyone you make it change. Cot 49 can be written as cot 90 degree minus 41 degrees. So this is equal to tan 41 degrees divided by tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta can be written as cot theta. So cot theta value 41 degrees. That's cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. So tan 40 plus 1 degrees. So both are same, gets cancels. The final answer is 1. Next, first main, one more question is there. Third one. First main, question number 3. So cosec 17 degrees 30 minutes divided by cosec changes to secant 72 degrees 30 minutes. As cosecant changes to secant changes to cosecant. As a cosecant, this can be written as 90 degree minus 72 degrees 30 minutes divided by denominator keep as it is. So secant 72 degrees 30 minutes. So cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta, that is secant theta. So this is equal to secant 72 degrees 30 minutes divided by denominator secant 72 degrees 30 minutes. Yes, both gets cancels. The final answer is 1. That's very important, very easy to also complete, depend upon trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, let's see main question number 2. Main question number 2, first one. Yes, cot 40 degree. Main question number 2, first one. Cot 40 degrees divided by tan 50 degrees. Tan 50 degrees. Cot changes to tan changes to cot, sum of these two 90. Minus 1 by 2 into cos 35, cos 35 degrees, cos changes to sine, sum of these two 90 degree, so 90 minus 35, that is 55 degrees. So without any simplification, we can guess, we can write the perfect answer easily. Just these two same 1 minus of these two same 1. So 1 minus 1 by 2. The final answer is 1 divided by 2. As cot 40 degree can be written as 90 minus 50 degrees. Denominator keep as it is, tan 50 degrees minus 1 by 2. Cos 35 can be written as cos 90 degree minus 55 divided by sin 55 as it is. Yes. Cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, tan theta, that is tan 50 degrees divided by tan 50 degrees minus 1 by 2 cos 90 minus theta, that is a sin theta value 55 divided by denominator sin 55 degrees. Yes, both gets cancels. 1 minus 1 by 2, here also gets cancels, that is 1. So this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. So take LCM, 2 is the LCM, 2 minus 1. The final answer is 1 divided by 2. That's very simple. So the main thing is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, let's see now second main, second question. Second main, second question. I think no need. So this is very easy to remember. Sin changes to cos, cos changes to sin, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, cosecant changes to secant, secant changes to cosecant. Now second main, second question. Second main, second question. So the question is sin 49 divided by sin 49 degrees divided by cos 41 degrees bracket square or whole square plus cos 41 divided by sin 49 whole square. So this is very easy. So can you guess the answer? This value 1, 1 square, both are same terms. 1 square 1 plus this is also same, gets cancels. 1 square 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2. That's right. Sin 49, that is 90 degree minus 41 divided by cos 41 degrees as it is whole square plus cos 41, cos 41 as it is, no problem, as sin 49 can be written as 90 degree minus 41 degrees whole square. So this implies sin 90 minus theta, cos theta value 41 degrees divided by denominator 41, cos 41 degrees whole square plus here also cos 41 as it is, as divided by sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. So we can change sin to cos, cos to change, whatever it may be, we get same answer, gets cancels. So here also gets cancels. So 1, 1 square. So here also 1 square. So 1 plus 1. The final answer is 2. Okay, na? Yes. Next, second main, third question. second main. Third question, the question is sine 72 degrees, sine 72 degrees divided by sine changes to cos, difference 18. Next, minus secant 32 degrees, secant changes to cosecant 90 minus 32, that is 58 degrees. Okay, na? Yes, very simple. These two are same, 1. So these two are same, 1 minus 1, answer 0. As sign as it is, any one, either numerator or denominator. Cos 18 can be written as 90 degree minus 72 degrees minus secant 32 can be written as secant 90 minus as 58 divided by cosecant 58 degrees. As next, sine 72 cosecant 90 minus theta, sorry, cos 90 minus theta, sine 72 degrees minus secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta value 58 degrees divided by cosecant 58 degrees. Gets cancels. Here also gets cancels. So which implies 1 minus, as the value of this one is 1. So the final answer is 0. As this is about second main, third question. Okay. Let's see third main. Third main, first question. Either you should convert the sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan, cosecant to secant, secant to cosecant. Now third main, question number 1. First one. The question is, yes, sorry, one more question remaining. Second main, fourth one remaining. Sorry, second main. One more question remaining. Fourth one. Yes, cos 75 divided by sine 15 degrees plus sine 12 degrees divided by cos 78 degrees minus cos 18 degrees divided by sine 72 degrees. Sine 72 degrees. Yes, find the value of this one. Yes, very simple. Gets cancels 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Final answer is 1. Yes, cos 75 as it is. Sine 15 can be written as sine 90 minus 75 plus sine 12 as it is. Cos 78 can be written as 90 minus 12 minus cos 18 as it is divided by sine 72, that is 90 minus 18 degrees. So this is equal or implies cos 75 sine 90 minus theta cos theta, that is cos 75 plus sine 12 cos 90 minus theta sine theta, that is sine 12 minus cos 18 divided by sine 90 minus 18, that is cos 18. This gets cancels. Here also gets cancels. Here also gets cancels. So this implies 1 plus this answer 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancels. The final answer is 1. Okay. So this is about second main, question number 4. Now one more question remaining in this Roman, that is fifth one. Second main, fifth one. As sine 25 degrees, sine 25 degrees divided by secant 65 degrees, secant 65 degrees plus cos 25 degrees divided by cosecant 65 degrees, cosecant 65 degrees. Thus this implies sine 25 degrees as it is divided by secant 65, secant changes to cosecant, as secant 65 can be written as 90 degree minus 25 degrees, plus here also cos 25 degrees as it is, cosecant 65 can be written as cosecant 90 minus 25 degrees. So this implies, so sine 25 degrees as secant changes to cosecant, so cosecant 25 degrees plus cos 25 degrees as it is, cosecant changes to secant, that is secant 25 degrees. So this implies sine 25 degree as it is. So cosecant 25 can be written as 1 divided by sine 25 degrees plus cos 25 degrees as it is. Secant can be written as 1 divided by cos 25 degrees. As this term will goes to numerator. Don't make it cancel. Sine 25 into sine 25 by 1 into. So that is sine square 25 degrees. Plus similarly here also cos square 25 degrees. So as you know identity, S sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this implies theta value in both the ratios 25 degree, sine square 25 plus cos square 25. The value of this one is equal to 1 because of this reason. Okay, na? This is about second main, question number 5. Okay, remaining questions I shall continue in the next class. Thank you.